Will a real estate agent ever get replaced? I don't think so, or not for at least, I can't forecast past 40 years, but I don't think a real estate agent will be replaced. And the reason why is real estate is so expensive that it demands to have a person that represents somebody. Okay. The real estate margins, although people think the prices and the commissions are a large number, when you have something that you're getting a commission of 1%, 2%, 3%, that's just the same uh, fee that you almost pay for a credit card. So those fees are so minimal. I think that will always have a live human being on the side of every deal. And that human will be working a lot with technology, a lot with, people and putting everything together. So it's not that real estate's not getting automatized. It is getting automatized. It is having, great technology, great things there, self locks, different 3D views. That's happening. I just believe that you're going to have an expert that's overseeing that stuff all the time. And when people are going to look at things, I think people are going to want a real estate agent by their side before they pull that trigger on that very expensive purchase, probably the most expensive purchase in their life. So hope that helps. Thanks, guys.